We are at Threemile Campground in Cody, Wyoming.
And this is a campground review. Make sure you stay to the end to find out what our favorite and least favorite parts of staying in this campground are. General impressions.
This is a quiet, woodsy campground with some nice views.
Okay. Campground.
This is a small campground with 20 sites, some pull-throughs and some back-ins. It's a no-frills campground that's very close to Yellowstone.
Hey, fun fact. Do you know why it's called Threemile Campground?
No, I don't, Amy. Why is it called that?
It's because it's only 3 miles from the entrance to Yellowstone.
Oh, wow.
So it is very close to Yellowstone.
Very aptly named.
That's right.
I was wondering if it was named 3 Mile because of the river it was called 3 Mile or something like that.
No, I thought maybe as well, but no, it's not. We stayed in campsite number 4.
4! It's not 4. It's not 4.
It was mostly level from right to left, but it was a little bit downhill, so a little nose low and needed a little bit of leveling blocks there.
There are no hookups at this site. This is definitely dry camping, no sewer, no electric, or no water.
We had a picnic table at our site with a fire ring and a layover grill attachment. There is also a food storage locker that is bear resistant at every campsite, and they have a nice little shepherd's hook to hang a lantern.
There was no propane refill at this campsite. The closest propane refill that we found was in Cody at the Tractor Supply.
It's about 50 minutes away. They also do not have a dump station. They do have a water pump, but it appears to not be working right now. There's supposed to be a second one down near the camp host site, but we couldn't find it on a quick inspection.
No surprises here. This campground does not have Wi-Fi, and Verizon also does not work here. So if you have Starlink, that's what you need.
Starlink does allow streaming, but their website even says that there's no cell phone service at this campground.
Can you hear me now?
Amenities.
This will be quick. There are no amenities. This is a no-frills campground.
One thing they do have is pit toilets that are clean enough to use. They also have dumpsters easily located next to the pit toilets that are also bear resistant.
But there is no shower, no laundry, and not a playground at this campground. Dog friendliness.
They do allow dogs here, although there are no pickup stations or off-leash areas. Camp store.
This is going to be quick. There is no camp store. The closest town to buy groceries is going to be Cody, Wyoming, about 50 miles away. Camp staff interactions.
We didn't have any interactions with the camp staff, or did we see any while we were here. We did all of our reservations online. Additional information.
This campground only allows hard-sided RVs and trailers in this campground because it is bear country. Rah!
Roar, roar, roar. No one understands you, Sheba.
Also, their season is July 1st through September 21st. They also have a 16-day max stay limit. Now, as the part of our review we call Love It or Hate It, we'll start off with the things we didn't like and then move to the things that we loved about it. So, Mike, what's your biggest dislike of this campground?
My biggest dislike of this campground is the fact that the water spigot near the front of the RV park is broken. We didn't find easily the other one. It'd be nice if the amenities they do have worked.
My biggest dislike is always hidden fees, and this one is no exception. When we made our reservation online, there was an $8 reservation fee. I don't really understand that. I don't understand why there's a reservation fee. I feel like the reservation fees should just be included in the campsite fee and call it, campsite fee.
Yeah, call it. Buffalo Bill State Park, on the other hand, had a much larger hidden set of fees.
That's true, because we looked there first and it said $10 for the campsite, and by the time we got done and we were ready to check out, it was $58. And because of that, I had such a dislike for it, I found another campsite. So we came here instead. It still had the $8 reservation fee, but anyhow.
Better than $50.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so let's move on to the things that we loved about this campground. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part of this campground is the fact that it is right next to a stream and it has picturesque mountain views all over the place.
Absolutely. I think that that's definitely why you come here. That was mine too. I mean, it is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this backdrop, guys. Like, who doesn't want that? And now we're going to tell you how much we paid for this campsite. That's probably the part you're most interested in. But before we get to that, please make sure to like and subscribe. This really helps our channel grow, and it's free. So the cost for this campsite was $20 a night, plus the $8 reservation. Again, this is, well, dry camping, no amenities, nothing, right? And it's a total of $28 a night. So we felt like it was a little high for what's on offer, but I mean, you can't beat those views, and it's only 3 miles from Yellowstone, so I feel like it's probably worth it.
Yeah. If you feel like the $8 hidden fee, reservation fee, whatever it is, isn't a problem, put it in the comments and tell us what you think.
We'd love to hear about your experience, so let us know in the comments. And if you like this campground review, please check out our other campground reviews over here. Or if you'd like to see what adventures we got into while we were here, check out our vlog up here.
We'll probably definitely come back here again.
Probably definitely.
Probably definitely.